50 years old from Japan. Diagnosis: male pattern hair loss level 3 and vertex. In the vertex, we can see there is some existing hair. It's emerged from here and is going downwards, upwards, like a clockwise 360. The patient wanted to increase the density around here, so we tried to put in the graft in between the existing hair to maximize density around here. This is the area of baldness. He have receded deep inside and wider recession here. So this is the design that we designed for him for the age match hairline. On the right frontal temple angle, he have receded more and wider, and we have filled up slightly more graft here compared to the left. The hair loss here is less, here the hair loss is more. We increase the density more to balance up these two.
ドナーを採取する際は痛みがあるかと思ったんですが、全く痛みもなく、植毛する前頭部の場合は少し痛みがありましたが、それほどきついというところはありませんでした。で、植毛後、夜は寝る際少し痛みが伴いましたが、翌日は全く痛みもなく通常に戻れています。
いかがですか？
Good Glojas!